So from the lobby, this is how you get to the elevators for the room. Reserve. Oh, that was fast. Elevator ambiance. It's cuter now. All right, so we come in. The little table here, a little lamp. Then we have the half bath here with the sliding door for closure. All right, and then the toilet on the side there. My little nook. Okay, now this is the living area and the dining area. Little chandelier, 4-person dining. You have the sofa and chairs across the room. More lighting options, the television, your desk. And then you have a little, I guess you could use this as a bar area here. Next to the table. And then in here, I haven't looked in here yet. Okay, so in here we have the mini fridge. And let's see. Yeah, mini bar with all of your spirits and drinks. Coffee. Ah, can't open the drawer. All right. What's in the drawer there? What's in here? And these are just some shelves here. Okay. So we'll close this up. And we can go to the bedroom. We have an outside area here. This is an ocean view room, 1-bedroom suite, ocean view. So we'll go out there in a sec. There's the bedroom, a little foot bench. Another balcony area here. It's all connected, just a different way to get out there. Television here. Thermostat there. Each room has a different thermostat. Some storage space there. The nightstands with more storage space. And then the bathroom. So you can see through here. And then you have your doors, your double doors that are a little see-through as well. Closet space here. Let's see, I haven't opened this yet. Okay, so here's the closet space with your robes, your Baha Mar robes, slippers, iron and ironing board. And let's see what's on this side before we go in the restroom. Maybe the same. Your safe, then some drawers. Yeah, and then more closet space. Okay. All right, so again, this is where your tub is. Come into the bathroom. You have your double here. Beautiful lighting and mirror fixtures. All right, and then your tub is here, right across from that. And the shower. So you have your 2 rainfall shower heads as well as a handheld. And then you have your bench. So definitely a 2-person shower. And the toilet here. Okay. So from here you turn, again, there are the doors, if you'd like to close those. And that's just another quick view of the restroom. Same kind of floors all throughout with the memory foam rugs for your feet. And then we have the outdoor area that we'll go to now. In case you did not see our other Baha Mar videos, there's an iPad here where you can do your dinner reservations, in-room dining, casino, other experiences, shopping, guest services. Really anything you need in the hotel can be done from this here. It is a non-smoking room. It has the cables to charge your phone. They're really the USB ports kind of on everything here. Another little area here. I know that's not a luggage rack. I have not put my bag on the luggage rack yet. And then you have some more storage space here. A larger TV in here. Again with the fan and the separate thermostat in here. And now we go outside to see the view. So, this is the outside. If you look to your right, there's a little lagoon or something over there. Other patios there, the tennis courts. I'm gonna skip over that parking lot. And then you have the seating here, the seating across, and the beautiful ocean view. There's breezes right there. If you look in the distance, there's Atlantis, cruise ships. There's a bridge over that way going into town. And we have the resort pools are straight ahead. Let me see if I can zoom in on those. A little bit. Oh yeah. So there are the pools, 2 of them. There are, I think, 7. So there are the pools. The water park is more to the left. There's the pier straight ahead out into the ocean. And that is about it. This is the ocean view 1-bedroom suite at the Reserve. Y'all like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of our travel adventures and room tours. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye, y'all.